Busting that pimple can kill you. It can send you to your early grave. And that is why I'm here today to tell us to stay clear from any pimple that is inside of a danger triangle. What is danger triangle? Look at what we call danger triangle. That mark, that triangle that you see on that face is a danger triangle. Any pimple you see localized in that within that triangle from the up down to the two extremes, please avoid that pimple. It can be deadly. It can send you to your early grave if God doesn't intervene. Every pimple contains three major things. One, oil produced from the sebaceous gland of the skin. Number two, dead white blood cells, dead bacteria, and also live bacteria. These are four constituents of every pimple. Every pimple you see anywhere, these are the things that it has. What come about the death of white blood cell and bacteria? Whenever a pathogen or infection enters the immune system is signaled to produce antibody, to produce their own soldier that will fight the infection. But the soldier that fight infection is the immune system. The immune system generates antibodies, which an example of it is the white blood cell. And this white blood cell starts fighting infections of any kind, wherever it is localized. If it's infection in the brain, in the eye, in the hand, in any place, this white blood cell start fighting those infections. And the fight can result to the death of some part of the white blood cells and also the death of some part of the bacteria. So the bacteria will kill some of the white blood cell and the white blood cell will kill some of the bacteria. So in every boil, in every pimple, there is an oil that the skin produces. One, there is this dead bacteria and dead white blood cell as a result of fight between them. And there is live bacteria. These four things are found in every pimple. So pimples inside of this danger triangle can be deadly. And that is why we ask you not to puncture them or bust them or squeeze them. Are you aware that when you try to squeeze a pimple, you are invariably infecting that pimple? Your hand can be the source of infection, or the surrounding surface can be the source of infection that will infect the pimple. And the more you try to squeeze a pimple, you are trying to push the content of the pimple, which is the oil, the dead cells, both white blood cells and the bacterial cells, and even the live cells, trying to push them deeper into the skin. And pushing them deeper into the skin will result to, one, more inflammations on that area, two, more swelling on that area, and three, more redness of that area. The place becomes so swollen, it becomes red and becomes painful. I would like us to know that this danger triangle are highly vascularized. What do I mean? It has a high network of artery and vein. Blood vessels that carry blood to and through the body is abundant in this danger triangle. And the funniest thing is that this danger triangle, the blood vessel that it has, the complex blood vessel that it has, are directly connected to that of the brain. What do I mean? Anything that affects this particular triangle invariably affect the brain because it just connected to the brain. So infection on this danger triangle results to an infection of the brain, because when infection travels through the blood vessel inside of this danger triangle, it can easily travel through it and enter into the brain and affect the tissues around the brain. It can result to a complication called meningitis, and if nothing is done, death can be a result. So everything I'm trying to explain in a nutshell is avoid bursting of pimples in this triangle, danger triangle, because any infection on this danger triangle can travel through the blood vessels into the brain and result to the infection of the brain. And infection of the brain is very dangerous. It can kill within few moments. So please, no matter how the pimple is growing, please avoid busting it. Don't squeeze it. Allow it to be on its own. Over time, it will clear. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe to this channel and also turn on this notification button so that whenever I do a new video, you will see it. I love you.